Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix File Explorer is missing or not showing in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix File Explorer missing on Windows 11 computer, first of all right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Windows Update. Now click on Check for Update and you need to update your computer. Checking for updates. After checking updates, you need to install all the updates and then close Settings. Right click on Taskbar. Click on Task Manager. In Search, type Windows Explorer. And here you will find Windows Explorer. Just right click on Windows Explorer and then click on Restart. After restarting the Windows Explorer, hope your problem is solved. If your problem is still continuing, go to search, type CMD, right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. In command prompt, type sfc space slash scan now. SFC scan now. It will scan all your repairable File Explorer settings and then it will recover the default File Explorer on your Windows 11 computer. Now hit enter. The scanning process is continuing. After completing the scan process, you need to restart your computer. Just close command prompt and then click on Start menu. Click on power and then click on restart. After restarting the computer, hope File Explorer missing will be fixed in your Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.